This is Percy perfume, warm and spicy. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to talk about perfume. Let me show you. So this is my tray of perfume. This is my collection, y'all, and I'm still building my perfume collection. I'm still getting there. 1 minute of silence, and I will tell you also my favorite out of all this perfume. Like I said already, I'm still building my perfume collection. I want to have more. I think I found my signature scent, and it will be the Jimmy Choo one. I will keep the best for last, okay? So this is the perfume. I will start with this one, Olympia. So this perfume, because it's my perfume collection, doesn't mean that it's my favorite perfume per se. This is the first perfume in my collection. I would say that I don't like it as much as the other one, only because when I bought it, well, I didn't buy it at Sephora. I tried to get the larger bottle for like 80 millimeter at like another store, and now the store is closed, so suspicious activity. And when I went there to get my refund for the perfume, they said that it's final sale, you cannot do it. So I just realized later on that they sell whole perfume, like the one that expired. I don't think perfume expired, but anywho, so I saw this scent Olympia online, and I decided to buy this perfume. And I would say that the scent is still pleasant, but it's not my favorite. It smells like old lady-ish, and you don't need too much of this perfume. It's like kind of overpowering, and I believe once in a while when I get bored of my other perfume, I will just try this one, and I will just spray this one on. But it's just occasionally, it's not every time. So this one. So let me say to you the fragrance, this perfume, what it has. This perfume is called Olympia by Paco Rabanne, and it is I think this is the 80 millimeter one. I have the detail here. So this is eau de parfum. It's not eau de toilette, it's eau de parfum, so it lasts a little bit longer. And about this scent, so the notes are green mandarin, ginger lily, hydroponic jasmine, salted vanilla, sandalwood, and ambergris. And then the style is more like sensual, powerful, addictive. For me, this parfum, yes, perfume. So this perfume wasn't it. So it's still a strong scent. So if you like strong scent perfume, I would definitely recommend you to get this one, and then get a newer version also. So the next perfume that I have for you is out of my collection is Valentino. So the name of this perfume is called Donna Born in Roma by Valentino Eau de Parfum. So do I pronounce it right? Donna Born in Roma. So this is the name of the perfume. I believe this is the... Oh, perfume do have an expiration date. This perfume can last up to 24 months, so 2 years. So perfume do have an expiration date. I didn't know that. So this is the 50 millimeter perfume. The fragrance family is floral. It's a warm floral type of scent. Also the key notes are black currant, jasmine, grandiflorum, bourbon vanilla, and I'm not going to talk about all the description. So those are the keynotes of this perfume. And what I like about it smells so nice. To save this perfume as much as I can for like date nights or big events, because this perfume does smell really, 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 really good. This perfume smells so good. Like sometimes I'm just like, this and it, like this is so good. And I feel like this is best for like special occasion. This is the kind of perfume that you wear once in a while, or you can wear like every day. Like every day is a nice occasion, so sometimes I just wear it because I don't wait for a special occasion. I just wear it. If I like it, I wear it. So yeah, me, I feel like it's a ground woman scent. It's the best for like special events, date nights. It's more like a evening type of scent. It will go well also in the winter time. Listen, I'm not like a perfume expert, but this is what this perfume makes me feel like, and this perfume like remind me of like when I put it on. So this is the perfume Donna born in Roma, if you like to have a perfume like that. Okay, this perfume, let me talk about this perfume, guys. Let me talk to you about this perfume. First of all, this perfume is called Black Opium by Yves Saint Laurent. So I feel so confident when I say like my French word, because you know I speak French too. Yves Saint Laurent Eau de Parfum, Black Opium, this is the name. So the fragrance family for this perfume is warm and spicy. Spicy. This is spicy perfume. Warm and spicy. Okay, let me stop. This perfume is the fragrance family from spicy. The scent type is warm and sweet gourmand. Also the keynote: white floral bouquet, vanilla quartet, coffee accord. Sorry if I just massacre. Si je juste massacré, if I just like destroy some of these words, but you get the point. If you go on the Sephora website, you will get the same description. Maybe it's pronounced different. Okay, so those are the keynotes. This scent is a warm and spicy scent, and it's the most like popular scent also. Look how much I have left. You see, I don't have a lot of this perfume. I don't have a lot of this perfume left because I'm trying to save it too. I try to save it. And this perfume is good for the winter time because it's so warm, it smells so good and lasts so long on your skin, and it has a vanilla scent. I like everything with like patchouli, vanilla, you know, because it gives like a more mature scent or more ground woman or type of elegant scent. So that's, you know, what I'm trying to go for. So I really do like this scent, especially for the winter type. It's a strong scent too. So it smells so good. And you know, not Sephora, you know, Zara also have some dupe of like this perfume. Yeah, I think it was Black Orchid for the Zara one. They have a dupe for this perfume, and the other one, the Black Orchid at Zara one, it smells so good too. I used to have it, but now I just yeah, I think I just lost it. And don't sleep on Zara perfume, don't sleep. I should get like a haul of Zara perfume because you should not sleep on Zara perfume. Last but not least, number 1, 10 out of 10, I may present you the one, Jimmy Choo by Jimmy Choo. This perfume, Jimmy Choo by Jimmy Choo. This is my absolute best perfume. This is the best perfume out of the best perfume. This perfume, which I don't even have the word. This perfume will get you chased down the street. This perfume will get you a ring in 3 days. This perfume will get you compliments left, right, and center. This perfume will give you life. I'm so good, right? I'm so good. Oh shoot, I'm so good. They need to sponsor my video. Come on, Jimmy Choo. If you wear with this perfume, people, you will get compliments all day long. Okay, it's that powerful. This perfume is that powerful. You see this? This is a lot of perfume, right? This is a 60mm perfume. So it comes like this. It doesn't have a top. So you know, it's the perfume is like that. You just need to press down. There's not like a way to cover it like the other perfume. But this perfume, this is my favorite perfume. I was trying to find my best scent, so a scent that when I go out I get compliments and I feel like I still wear perfume after the end of the day. Look. So I wore this perfume today, so that's why I'm smelling it myself to see like if I can smell it. This perfume is like kind of overpowering. So let me tell you the name of this perfume. Shall we get to the name before I say, oh, this perfume will get you chased down? You will hear 1,001 compliment about this perfume when you wear it. Of course we know that, or maybe we don't know that, but this perfume is the OG. This is the one. This right there is the one. And in case you didn't know, I just ordered a brand new perfume of the same brand, like Jimmy Choo by Jimmy Choo, the same one, the same bottle. Because if you haven't noticed, I think you know this, okay, I have still a little bit left of this perfume. It's worth every cent, because you know, perfume at this price tag, they usually come in smaller size, like in 50mm or 30mm, but this one comes in 60mm. So this is a great deal, and it smells good. It smells divine. Shall we get to the point now? It's not Jimmy Choo by Jimmy Choo, sorry, it's more like Jimmy Choo I Want You. I Want You, oh no, I Want You. So Jimmy Choo I Want You it has a mandarin juice, velvet peach, red spider lily, jasmine sambac, jasmine sambac, vanilla benzoin. So those are the ingredient. Yeah, so those are the ingredient of that perfume. So it has this vanilla scent. So I think that's the one that just attract people, and people always like. I think I got guys. I was going at the U-Haul, right? I wore this perfume. I went to U-Haul because I went to my U-Box, and people were coming to me just to ask me what is my perfume. I'm like, what, me? Are you talking about me? And it was my first time that the people, not my first time that people asked for my perfume, but at this stage, she said that, oh, I got the whole, the whole warehouse smelling so good, and she wants to know the perfume I was wearing. And I was in my U-Box, I wasn't paying even attention. And she said, oh my god, you smell so good. And then my coworker just told me that, oh, this woman, the perfume. And she said like, oh, I just smelled the perfume. I just knew it wasn't in the warehouse. Like it's something else. And then she said that a coworker passed, and then she smelled the perfume, and she said, oh my god, that girl smells so good. And then she just come back just to ask me for the perfume name, and I said, of course girl, I'm going to tell you. I don't gatekeep anything. So I just told her it's Jimmy Choo I Want You, and then everyone was still coming, like they were like just doing other stuff, random stuff, but they were just passing by just to smell my perfume. And they said, oh my god. So yeah, I got the warehouse smell good just because of this little perfume right there. People ask me, oh my god, I love your perfume, so what is the perfume? And I happen to have it in my bag because in case I just want to spray it again, but maybe sometimes I'm just too lazy, so I don't really spray it again. But it does last a long time. It's almost done, so there's one coming to me in the mail, so I bought one in Shopper Drugs Mart. And before you see that video, like I think I will just put it somewhere, like I got a discount. No, I got 3 samples and I got a free Laura Mercier setting powder. You know I love Laura Mercier. Yeah, the fragrance note: red lily, jasmine, vanilla, mandarin orange, and peach. And this perfume is really nice, so it smells nice. And the thing is, I don't really smell it on myself like other people smell it. I think maybe it's like the body. Maybe, you know, certain perfume will smell amazing on other and it will smell basic on other people. So it's really the warmth of your body, like that it can activate a perfume. So it really depends body to body. So if people buy it, they may not have the same effect as me, but for me, I just find it's really good. Well, it meshes well with my skin. Yeah, it smells, when I smell it, like when I spray it, it smells like overpowering. It has like a little bit of vanilla. Yeah, it has a little bit of vanilla, and then once it gets settled down into my skin, I feel like that's when the magic appears. If that make any sense. But yeah, like I put too much today, but it's never too much. And then I smell it just a little bit because I just did like a lot of time outside. But yeah, just a little refresher to just put it back, put it on it. So I just talk a lot about this perfume. I think I just do a video about just this one perfume. So this is my small perfume collection. As you can see, I went to every perfume and I hope to grow my perfume in the future. I think I will add the Jimmy Choo by Jimmy Choo, the original perfume, to my list, or maybe I would buy it. I think it's like less pricey than this one, and I wanted to buy that one way before, but I just settled with this one because I saw like a TikTok of it and people were swearing by this perfume, so I was like, okay, let me get it. And since then, you know, I bought another one and it's coming right in the mail. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. I hope you like it. This was my perfume collection, and yeah, if you have any other question, comments, like what is your favorite perfume, please comment down below. And if do you have like similar perfume to mine, do you like more vanilla scent or like a patchouli scent, like what is your favorite perfume? Please put it down in the description box, and also put down what you would like to see in the future. Wait, yeah, okay. So on the topic of perfume, what is your top favorite perfume? If you can say like 1 or 2 questions, okay? What is your top favorite perfume? What is your favorite perfume? Just put it in the description box. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.